Hey guys, James here with your Tuesday Tips video for today, January 19th, 2016. And I'm very excited for today's video because we're talking about a topic that is very important. It's been requested by one of our viewers on the page. We're talking about the deductible and exactly what can happen if you avoid paying your deductible. It's going to be some very specific information today. I'm sure you'll enjoy it. So we all know pretty much what a deductible is on an auto insurance policy. You've got your comprehensive or other than collision, and then your collision deductible, which is pretty straightforward. On a homeowner's policy, it can be a little bit more complicated. There are two basic types of deductibles. There's the wind and hail deductible, basically the roof deductible, which is typically 1% of the home's value. If you have a $300,000 policy, then your roof deductible is $3,000 if you have a 1%. And then the second deductible is things like water damage and fire, theft, those sorts of things. It would apply in those situations. And that deductible could be anywhere from $500 upwards of several percent of the home value, depending on what kind of policy you have. Now, a lot of you have heard of the process of buying your deductible when you file a roof claim. And a lot of times you'll hear that from anyone who has met with a salesperson from a roofing company after a storm comes through about buying the deductible. Maybe someone didn't have to pay their deductible. The company paid for a portion of it. And what I want to make it very clear that everyone understands is buying your deductible is code for committing insurance fraud. And a lot of people out there don't even realize that that is insurance fraud, because what buying a deductible means, if you're working with a contractor, specifically, usually a roofing contractor, and they offer to buy your deductible, what they are saying is they will be happy to fudge the numbers on the valuation. They will lie to the insurance company on your behalf and change exactly what money changes hands and when and how, and make it to where you don't have to pay as much or any of your deductible in some situations. Now, I'm going to read for just a second from the Texas Penal Code the definition of insurance fraud. A person commits an offense if, with intent to defraud or deceive an insurer, the person solicits, offers, pays, or receives a benefit in connection with the furnishing of goods or services for which a claim for payment is submitted under an insurance policy. So what does that mean exactly? It means if you commit or allow a company to commit on your behalf a fraudulent claim filing, which is exactly what buying the deductible would be, then you're guilty of a charge. And those charges range anywhere from a Class C misdemeanor, which is just like a traffic ticket, all the way up to a first-degree felony, depending on the amount of the claim in question. So how much would a typical roof job be? Well, somewhere between $2,500 and $3,000 or $30,000, which would be a state jail felony. And the penalty for committing a state jail felony is no less than 6 months in prison and up to a $10,000 fine. Long story short, the moral of the story is never work with a contractor who offers to buy your deductible, because they are committing insurance fraud and they are asking you to do it with them. If you need a roof replacement, if you have questions about your roof or any other contractor or any other professional service that you can think of as a homeowner, we probably have a great solution for you there. So please call us, ask us for referrals. We love sending referrals to our strategic partners here in the local community, and also we love providing excellent workmen and contractors for our valued clients. You'll know a great roofer when you see one, and I'd be happy to introduce you to one or any other contractor you may need. So there's your Tuesday tip for today. Hope you enjoyed it, and we will see you soon, guys. Have a great Tuesday.